Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ravinder sir, Daljit ma'am, and all the students. As the last question that we have done is question number 3. Now today we are starting with question number 4. Be a little quick today in writing. Okay, write fast in today's class, as questions are only based on formulas, and formulas I have told you. Still, I am solving each and every question for you, so it's your responsibility is to write a little fast. Okay. In case of any doubt, you can ask in between. Rest will be only using the formulas for the understanding of this chapter. That's it. So starting with question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. I'll make the figures to explain you what they're talking about. A chord of a circle. So let me make a chord. A chord of a circle of radius 10 subtend a right angle at the center. So it is subtending. Let this be the center, and here it is making an angle of 90 degree, right angle. And this is a chord. Let this chord be AB, and let this be the center O, and this chord is making 90 degree at the center. We have to find the area of corresponding minor segment and major sector. See, according to the angle, the segment they're talking about is this. This is minor segment. The area between the arc and the chord. Okay, and what is the major sector? Major sector is the area between the radii and the major arc. See, this is minor arc AB, which is making 90 degree at the center, and this is major arc AB from this side. So they're talking about this. This is major sector. Try to understand it, because I'll not explain each and every time in each and every question with the help of figure. So this is major sector, which I have colored this, and this is the minor segment, which is between the line, segment, chord and the arc. Okay, and major sector is always between the radii and the major arc. Okay, so how to calculate? See, radius of circle is already given, that is 10 centimeter, and theta, the angle which the arc is making, the chord is making, is 90°. Now write area of minor segment, that is the formula r square pi theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 sine theta. R square, that is 10 square, pi theta 3.14, as it is mentioned in the question to use 3.14. So therefore we will use 3.14 into 90° upon 360° minus 1 by 2 sine 90. Accordingly, this is 100, and this we can cut 4, and with 2 also we can cut this 1.57. So it is 1.57 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 sine 90 is 1. So it is 1.57 minus 1 upon 2. With 2 we can cut this 50, and 50 multiplied by 0.57, multiply it, 28.5 centimeter square. Devansh is asking, sir, can we find area of minor sector? Might be you want to ask me minor segment, not minor sector. Yes, Devansh? Do you mean minor segment? You have written here minor sector in the chat section. Yes, okay. So yeah, minor segment you can calculate by area of sector minus area of triangle also, if you want to do by that. Otherwise, we have this direct formula. No need to think anything. Just put the values, you'll get the direct answer. Simple. According to me, this is simpler, because as just you have to remember the formula if you can. Otherwise, you have the other method. Both are your choice. You can go by any of the method. Okay, that is up to you, whichever you like. So after this, after taking out area of minor segment, let us proceed to the area of major sector, right? Area of major sector is area of circle. What is this? Do not lose this. For this also I have told you the formula. Pi r square, that is area of circle, multiply 360 minus theta upon 360. Then pi r square, that is 3.14 into 10 square into 360 minus theta is 90 upon 360. Now 314 multiplied by 100, 3.14 multiplied by 100, 314 multiplied by 270 upon 360. Cancel this with 9 3s and 9 4s, 2 2s and 157. 335 point, no, not 330, 335.5. Something is wrong, I guess. I think it is 4. 3, 7, 21, 1 and 2, 15, 157 by 2. 314 into 270 by 360. 471 will 471, and it should come 2 this way. Okay, and here it is centimeter square. Yeah, yes, 4 will come. Vittal and Devansha saying so 471 will come. Yes, obviously. So this is the solution. Vittal, very interesting sticker. Remove this or go out of the class. You switch on the video. Vittal, you also switch on the video. Yeah. Yug is studying from forest. Concentrate on studies regardless of these things. Yeah. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree. And radius is given 21 centimeter. I'll be checking in 2 minutes again the videos of all the students. So it should be switched on. The length of the arc. So first point is we have to calculate the length of arc. And the formula being 2 pi r into theta by 360. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 21, into theta, that is 60 upon 360. Cut this by 6 and cut this now with 2 and 3 and 3 and 3. So it is 22 centimeter is the length of arc. Then area of the sector formed by arc. Area of sector. See, as the arc is minor arc because the angle is 60 degree. So they are talking about minor sector. So how you will get to know that they're talking about major or minor sector? That you have to just see the angle. The angle is 60, which is less than 180 degrees. So they're talking about the minor arc. And so the minor arc will make the minor sector. Hence the formula of minor sector will be applied. So pi r square multiplied by theta by 360 pi 22 by 7 into r square, and r here is 21 into 21 into theta, which is 60 by 360. Cut this by 6, then 3 2s are 3 7s and 7 7 cancel with 2 11. So 11 into 21, that is 231 centimeter square. Note it down quickly. After area of sector, that is area of segment formed by corresponding chord. Then in the same way, the corresponding segment will be minor segment. Area of minor segment that is the same formula which I have told you. We can apply here. R square pi theta by 360 minus 1 by 2 sine theta. So R here again is 21 square pi theta. Pi is 22 by 7 into theta, that is 60 by 360 minus 1 by 2 sine 60. So it is 441, and this cancels out, and with this is also cancelled out. Now 11 by 21 minus 1 upon 2 into root 3 by 2. The value of sine 60, root 3 by 2. After this, finally we have 441 and 11 by 21 minus root 3 by 4. Okay, and if you want to match with the answer written at the back of NCERT, then they have multiplied with 441 inside. So 441 into 11 by 21 minus 441 into root 3 by 4. Okay, and here we can cut with this. So it is 231 minus, or it can be any other. So I am just leaving here. Okay, I don't know what is there in NCERT at the back. Might be there. So this is the final answer with centimeter square. Make a note of this. Be quick. I have told you in the beginning, before the starting of this today's lecture, then at that time I've told you, know, that we are going to just apply the formulas. Simple. As these are the direct questions where we have to apply the formula and just put the values and take out the answers. Till now we have done the same thing. Now the next question. Chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree. So radius is 15 centimeter and angle being 60 degree. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments. So area of minor segment, again the same formula. That is r square pi theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 sine theta. So r square is 15 square, pi theta by is 3.14 into 60 by 360 minus 1 by 2 sine 60. Again we can cut this by 6, then by 2, 1.57, and it is 225 in bracket 1.57 by 3 minus 1 by 2 sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. Here it is written that value of root 3 is 1.73. So let us put the value of root 3. Divide this. Okay, later on. Minus root 3 is 1.73 upon 4, and here we have 3. Now after this, calculating further, taking LCM. minus 3 is 9 to 5.19. So 225 multiplied by 6.28 minus 5.19. Is it correct? 3 3 are 9 and 3 7 21 and 2. Fine. Then 1.09 by 12. Then multiply and divide. Or we can divide this only. Okay, 225 into, it involves a little more calculation. So 245.25 divided by 12 will get an approximate answer. 20.4375 in this way. This much centimeter square. Exact. After this, it is being asked to calculate area of major segment. Area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of circle minus area of minus segment. Area of circle being pi r square minus area of minus segment is 220.4375. Now pi r square 3.14 into 3.14 into r square, and r is 15. So 3.14 into 225, 706.5. 706.5 minus 20.4375. Now this is finally, the answer is 686.0625. Note it down. Now all the next questions involves easy calculation. Till now, in these few questions, calculations were a little bit more. These were calculative questions. Yeah, you can take common also. Where you will take common, but Ankur? Okay. Next, question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field. So this is a square-shaped grass field, and it's a horse, and it is tied with this. A knot is tied at this the corner of the square field, and it is written that the field of side 15. So it is 15 multiplied by 15. So length and breadth are 15 of this square field, and the rope here, it is this rope, that it be a straight rope, and this is of 5 meter. So the radius of the rope is 5 meters. So horse will be able to graze only this much area. and this is what looks like a sector. Okay, and more precisely, if you will see, then this is what a 90-degree angle because of the square, and this is what a quadrant. So it is very clear that how much part of the field the horse will be able to graze. Horse will be able to graze only this much part of the field because horse is tied with this rope, and so just taking out right side of square field, side of square field is 15 meters, and this theta here being 90-degree. This is theta, which is 90-degree. Okay, and after this, the first part, area where horse can graze, that is area of quadrant, that is pi r square, 1 by 4 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into pi, that is 3.14 we have to use, into r square. R is 5 square, then 2 and 1.57 again. So 1.57 into 25, 39.25 is the area where horse can graze in meter square. Done. First part of the question is done. Now the second part. We have not done seventh question. As I have told you that 120 degree is not in the syllabus this year. So there are no question will come in board with 120-degree angle. Okay, from this chapter. So that's why we can ignore all the questions in which 120 degree is given. In this exercise, we was having only one question. We were having only one question, so we have cut that question. Now, second part. If the rope is increased, okay, we have not divided it by 2. Yug has message, sir, we have not divided by 2. So here there is 2 here. So now there's 39.25 divide by 2. So dividing it by 2, 78.5 is the answer. Meter square. Fine. Okay, Radhika has also written, sir, what about 2 in denominator? Yeah, we have to divide by 2 in the written in the denominator. Okay. And still something is wrong here. What is this? 19.625. 19.625. This is the correct answer. Yes, it is corrected now. Now, second part, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So if the rope is now 10 meter from which the horse is tied, and instead of 5 meter, then how much will be the increase in the area? So area if rope is 10 meter is equals to same formula we will apply. One by 4 into pi r square, 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 square because now radius is 10. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100, 25 into 3.14, 78.5 meter square. Now increase in area, that is 78.5. Let's have to calculate how much will be the increase in area if the rope is 10 meter long. So subtract the previous answer with this. 58.875 meter square. Okay, now note it down. Then the next question. Ankur is asking, sir, can't we use area of sector here? Yes, you can use area of sector. This is also area of sector only. If you are using area of sector, then pi r square into theta by 360, where theta is 90 degree. That's it. I have directly written 1 by 4. That 90 means 90 by 360. Pi r square, that will be 1 by 4 only. So 1 by 4 pi r square I've written directly as it is a quadrant. So, okay, your choice. You can go by any of the method. Next question. Approach. It was just done. So a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. So it's a brooch, as you all know what is brooch. Okay, you must have used. So a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So this, see, these are 5 diameters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the design of a brooch where they have made 5 diameters with silver wire, and the wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide into circle into 10 equal sectors. So with the help of silver wire, this circle is made, and these 5 diameters are made with the help of silver wire. So this circle is made with diameter 35 mm, and these 5 diameters are also made. So what is the length of silver wire required? Right, radius of circle, that is 35 by 2 mm, and the first is length of silver wire required, that is 5 diameters we have made, so 5 into diameters plus circumference of circle, because the circle is made with the help of silver wire. Circumference of circle. So 5 into diameter. Diameter's length is 35 plus circumference is 2 pi r. 175 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. 2 cancelled out, 7 and 5, 110 plus 175, that is 285 millimeter. Now the second part. the area of each sector of the broach. So if you have noticed, then there are 10 equal sectors being made by these 5 diameters. After making these 5 diameters, this is just divided into 10 equal sector. One sector, then the other sector, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 sectors in this. So find the area of each sector. So how we'll be able to calculate the area of each sector? Right here, area of each equal sectors. As these sectors are equal, then it is equals to area of circle divided by 10. Simple. Area of circle will get divided by 10 because the area of circle is divided into 10 equal divisions. So 1 by 10 into pi, 22 by 7 into r square, that is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So with 2 it is cancelled out with this, with 5, 2, that is 385 by 4. Millimeter square, and we can divide it. 9 to 36, then 2, 5, 6 are 24, then 2 and 5, 96.25 millimeter square. Is it clear? Note it down, be quick. We are doing the next question now. 10. We have only 3 minutes left. And the next question is very easy. An umbrella has 8 ribs. See, these are ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These lines are ribs. This. Okay, with the help of which umbrella can take its shape. Okay, so which are equally spaced. So these ribs, if you will open this umbrella in the shape of this, then it will appear like this. Now these all are equal sectors made with the help of these ribs, as it is given, equally spaced. And we have to find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs. So if you want to find the area between 2 ribs, that is 1 sector. Okay, so radius is given 45 centimeter, as there are 8 equal sectors, therefore area between 2 consecutive ribs or consecutive ribs, whatever you say, is 1 by 8 of area of circle, that is pi r square. So 1 by 8 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r, which is 45 into 45. Now multiply this all, and at down we have 50. We can cut this 28, and 11 multiply 4, 5, the 20 to 5. Now multiply it finally, 22275 by 28 centimeter square. Note it down. So these 10 questions are over. Rest of the questions will start tomorrow. From question number 11 will start tomorrow. By 7th of December, I have made the plan to complete the syllabus, as only 2 chapters are left. So by 7th of December, we'll be able to complete. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.